Hi and welcome to this video. In this tarot video I will show you a simple 3-card spread that helps you reflect on a certain situation and find a solution for a problem, for a specific situation that is worrying you. So the first card is the card that indicates your hopes related to the specific situation. The second card is talking about your dreams, whereas the last card indicates your fears regarding the problem that you have. So if you have a certain concern and you need guidance, you can use this simple 3-card spread, tarot spread.